Are you running your real estate team, or is your real estate team running you? Maybe you're just starting to think about building a team, or maybe you already have one, but it feels like every decision, every lead, and every fire still lands on your desk. Either way, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Matt Emerson with WBNL Coaching, and here's what we see all the time. Team leaders wearing every hat because roles aren't clearly defined. Agents struggling or leaving because onboarding is unclear. Recruiting based on desperation instead of a cultural fit. Marketing and lead generation that feels scattered. And the big one, agents plateau, performance slips, and leaders get frustrated because there's no rhythm of coaching or accountability. These challenges are normal, but they're not sustainable. If you want a team that truly runs like a business, you need a strong foundation and a framework. And that's why we created the Real Estate Team Builder Checklist and Interactive Workbook. Wow, we probably could have come up with a shorter title. The resource doesn't give you all of the action steps just turnkey, because that wouldn't make sense. Every team is an individual or unit, right? Instead, it gives you prompts and checklists to help you create the plan that fits your vision, your market, and your team. Inside, you'll work through 6 key areas of team building. Number 1, team foundation and structure. Number 2, recruiting and onboarding. Number 3, lead generation and business growth. Number 4, systems and operations. Number 5, marketing and brand growth. And number 6, coaching and accountability. Think of it as your roadmap. It sparks clarity, helps you identify gaps, and guides you to the outline of a structured and high-performing team. So let's talk about how this works. Like defining roles, for example. We're not going to just tell you who to hire, but instead, the workbook lays out different team models and different essential roles like listing specialist or buyer's agent, inside sales agent, transaction coordinator, marketing assistant. And then it prompts you to decide which roles you need and what responsibilities they'll hold. So what about recruiting and onboarding? Most teams recruit on the fly, which actually leads to pretty high turnover. The workbook doesn't give you a plug and play plan. It guides you to design your own 30, 60, and 90-day onboarding process so new agents know exactly what success looks like in your system. When they feel like they've gone through a good onboarding and a structured program, they're going to have a better feeling about the company. They're going to enjoy the process a little bit more, and that is going to lower your turnover rate. Nothing worse than that revolving elevator. All right, with coaching and accountability, this is where a lot of teams stall. Agents start coasting, performance dips, and leaders actually start burning out. This section prompts you to define what metrics matter most, how often you will coach your agents, and how you'll hold the team accountable. You create the rhythm. The workbook just makes sure you're asking the right questions. Every section works like this. It's not just ideas on a page. It's a framework that pushes you to outline your own plan as you go. So if you're ready to start building a team, or if you have a team and you're ready to stop running your team on default and start leading with clarity and intention, download the Real Estate Team Builder Checklist and Interactive Workbook today. You'll find the link below this video. It's free, and it'll guide you to design the structure, roles, and the systems that will fit your vision. And when you're ready to go deeper, we've built 2 incredible resources to help. The Intro to Team Building mini course is absolutely free, and it guides you through 12 different steps to building a team. You'll get a good flavor of, whether or not you want to build a team or not, or if you have a team, if you've got the foundation going the right way. And that leads right into our Real Estate Team Builder program at WBNL Coaching. It is a full-blown program that walks you through the process of building that foundation and building a strong team that will thrive. And we include some one-on-one coaching in that as well. You can get all that information down in below the video here, but over at WBNLcoaching.com/teams. I'm Matt Emerson with WBNL Coaching. Align, Connect, Prosper, and we'll see you next time.